Just a couple of years ago, creating professional-looking videos required expensive software, powerful computers, and years of editing experience. Today, artificial intelligence can generate stunning videos from nothing more than a simple text prompt or even a single image. Whether you are a YouTuber, content creator, a marketer, a teacher, a student, or business owner, AI video generators can help you produce amazing videos in minutes instead of hours. The best part? Many of them offer free plans that let you create high quality videos without spending any money. In today's video, I'll show you my top 5 free AI video generators you can use in 2026, explain their best features and help you choose the right one for your project. Let's get started. Starting our countdown is Pika. Pika has become one of the most popular AI video generators because it's incredibly easy to use. You simply type a prompt like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. Within moments, Pika transforms that prompt into a short animated video. One feature that makes Pika stand out is its creative effects. You can make objects melt, explode, inflate like balloons, transform into different materials, or perform other eye-catching animations that will normally require advanced visual effects software. Pika also supports image-to-video generation, allowing you to upload a single still image and bring it to life with natural movement. For social media creators, YouTubers, and beginners, it's a fantastic starting point. Coming in at number 4 is Hailuo AI by Minimax. If realism is what you are after, Hyo AI is definitely worth exploring. It excels at producing smooth cinematic camera movement and highly detailed scenes. Whether you are generating landscapes, fantasy worlds, city environments, or character animations, the quality is surprisingly impressive. One of its biggest strengths is understanding complex prompts. Instead of writing short descriptions, you can provide detailed instructions describing lighting, camera angles, emotions, weather condition, movement, and Hailuo AI does an excellent job following them. It also produces videos with natural motion, making them feel less robotic than many competing tools. If you're interested in storytelling or cinematic content, Hyo AI offers excellent results even on its free plan. Taking the third place is Luma Dream Machine AI. Luma quickly became one of the biggest names in AI video generation because of its impressive motion quality. Many AI-generated videos struggle with unnatural movement or awkward transitions. Luma solves much of that problem by producing fluid, realistic camera motion and object animation. You can create videos from text prompts, animate still images, or generate cinematic scenes with surprisingly realistic depth. Another impressive feature is speed. Compared to many AI video generators, Luma often produces results much faster, allowing creators to experiment with different prompts without waiting for too long. It's particularly useful for YouTube B-roll promotional videos, product showcases, and creative storytelling. Our runner-up is Clink AI. Developed by Kuaishu, Clink has earned a reputation for producing some of the most realistic AI videos currently available. It performs exceptionally well when generating people, facial expressions, animals, landscapes, and realistic movements. One feature that really impressed me is its ability to understand long prompts with detailed instructions. You can specify camera movement, lighting, emotions, clothing, scenery, weather, and even the style of the cinematography. The AI combines all of these elements into highly realistic video clips. Clink also supports image-to-video generation, allowing creators to animate portraits, landscapes, product photos, and illustrations. For filmmakers and professional creators, Clink is becoming one of the strongest competitors in the AI video space. Taking the number 1 spot is Google View. Google View represents one of the biggest advancements in AI video generation. Its ability to understand natural language prompts is remarkable. Instead of writing short commands, you can describe an entire scene just as you would explain it to another person. For example, a drone flies over a tropical region, tropical island during sunrise while gentle waves crash onto the beach and birds fly across the sky. Veo generates cinematic quality videos with realistic lighting, camera movement, shadows, reflections, and smooth animations. It also understands filmmaking terminology such as aerial shots, close-ups, tracking shots, slow motion, and cinematic depth of field. Another advantage is its integration into Google's growing AI ecosystem, making it increasingly useful for creators already using Gemini and Google AI Studio. If your goal is producing professional AI-generated videos with minimal effort, Google Veo currently offers one of the best experiences available. So which AI video generator should you choose? If you are looking for quick, creative animations and social media content, Pika is an excellent choice. For cinematic storytelling with realistic motion, Hailuo AI delivers impressive results. With speed, natural camera movement, your priorities, Luma is difficult to beat. For highly realistic human animation and detailed prompt understanding, Clink AI is one of the strongest platforms available. And if you are looking for the most advanced overall AI video generator, Google Veo currently sets the benchmark for quality and realism. The good news is that each of these platforms offer free access, allowing you to experiment before deciding whether you need a paid plan. So these are my top 5 free AI video generators that you can start using today. I'd love to know which one impresses you the most, or if there is another AI video tool you think deserves a place in this list. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my weekly videos covering the best AI tools, free software, productivity apps, and websites. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.